You've got one chance to guess what product I'm about to speak to you about. We're giving it away? Hoola, of course. That was my amazing hula dance. Thank you very much. This is our incredible bronzer. And why is it so brilliant, you may be asking? Well, it's got no shimmer, it's got no shine, it's got no pink, and it's got no orange, which means that you're going to get the most amazing healthy glow. In fact, we call it our Barbados in a box. And what else is in the box is a brilliant brush, which is going to give you amazing application, and a mirror. And girls, you'll understand what I'm talking about here because this is magnetic. So no matter how much you chuck your makeup bag around, it's not going to fall out and break. Yes. Now, how to apply it? Well, there's a few ways because of course you can get that natural glow, or you can really go for it and contour. But I'm just going to show you my favourite way. Dip the brush into the box like this, tap it off, and starting at the forehead, apply it in a figure of 3 either side of the face. That's going to hit the high points that you would naturally tan. Then do the other side, and you can build this up so you've got as much of a glow as you like, but don't forget to go down the neck as well. No one likes their face to be a different colour to their neck, Kate. Then if you want to contour a little bit more, you can actually use the straight angle of the brush underneath the cheekbone just to get that beautiful contoured structure. So that is how to use Hoola, and that is why it's the UK's favourite bronzer.